Welcome to my YouTube channel Wonderpedia. In this video, we will explore 15 amazing facts about spring, shedding light on the wonders of this enchanting season. Number 15. Equinox Magic. Spring officially begins with the vernal equinox, typically around March 20th or 21st in the Northern Hemisphere. During this equinox, day and night are approximately equal in length, marking a celestial balance that heralds the arrival of spring. Number 14. Cherry Blossom Spectacle. One of the most iconic spring events is the blooming of cherry blossoms. Japan, in particular, is renowned for its cherry blossom festivals, where the fleeting beauty of these delicate pink flowers is celebrated. Number 13. Migration Marvels. Spring is a crucial time for bird migration. Millions of birds embark on incredible journeys, traveling thousands of miles to breeding grounds. Witnessing flocks of birds returning after a long winter is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of these remarkable creatures. Number 12. Biological Symphony. The sounds of spring are a symphony of life. From the melodic chirping of birds to the buzzing of bees and the gentle rustling of leaves, nature comes alive with a vibrant soundtrack. These sounds not only signal the return of warmth, but also contribute to the overall sensory experience of spring. Number 11. Longer days, shorter nights. As spring progresses, daylight hours increase and nights become shorter. This shift in daylight duration plays a crucial role in triggering various biological processes in plants and animals, influencing everything from blooming flowers to mating behaviors. Number 10. Festival of Colors. Holi, the Hindu festival of colors, is a springtime celebration that represents the triumph of good over evil and the arrival of spring. Participants joyously throw colored powders at each other, creating a vibrant kaleidoscope of hues and fostering a sense of unity and happiness. Number 9. Gardening Bliss. Spring is a gardener's paradise as the soil warms up and plants start to bloom. Gardeners eagerly prepare their gardens for the growing season, sowing seeds and tending to young shoots. The vibrant array of flowers and the fresh scent of soil add to the sensory delight of spring gardening. Number 8. Animal Awakening. Many animals emerge from hibernation or undergo changes in behavior during spring. Amphibians, in particular, become more active as they return to breeding ponds. The distinctive calls of frogs and toads fill the air, signaling the start of the breeding season. Number 7. Perfume of Blooms. The fragrance of blooming flowers is a hallmark of spring. Flowers release their scents to attract pollinators, creating a captivating olfactory experience. The diversity of floral aromas, from the sweet fragrance of cherry blossoms to the earthy scent of freshly cut grass, adds to the enchantment of spring. Number 6. Butterfly Ballet. Spring is a time of transformation for butterflies. The emergence of butterflies from their chrysalises is a captivating process that symbolizes metamorphosis and the beauty that can arise from change. Number 5. Spring Fever. The term spring fever isn't just a metaphor. With the arrival of warmer weather and increased daylight, people often experience a boost in mood and energy levels. Number 4. Meteorological Marvels. Spring is a season of dynamic weather patterns, with the transition from winter to summer bringing about a mix of rain showers, thunderstorms, and sunny days. Number 3. Exciting Beginnings. Spring is synonymous with new life, and many animals give birth or lay eggs during this season. From the hatching of chicks in bird nests to the emergence of baby rabbits and other mammals, spring symbolizes the cycle of life and the continuation of species. Number 2. May Day Celebrations. May Day, celebrated on May 1st, is a traditional spring festival with roots in various cultures. It often involves dancing around a maypole, adorned with ribbons, flowers, and greenery. May Day festivities celebrate the return of warmth and fertility to the land. Number 1. Baseball's Opening Day. For sports enthusiasts, spring marks the beginning of the baseball season. Major League Baseball's opening day is a highly anticipated event, signaling the start of a season filled with excitement, competition, and the timeless tradition of America's pastime. As we revel in the magic of spring, let us be reminded of the interconnectedness of all living things and the cyclical nature of renewal that this enchanting season brings.